This is what $23 a night can get you in Tbilisi, Georgia. So starting at the entrance, you have this coat closet. And we are in the neighborhood of Spacious, which is, we've actually done 3 different apartments here. The other ones, actually, we've stayed in 4. Here's the bathroom. So we've stayed in 4 other ones in this area, 3 that we did at least a month in. 1 we did a little staycation. This one's also a staycation. We will, our current lease ends at the end of August, and we plan to stay in Georgia, depending on my soccer season, probably to the end of September. So our last month, we will rent an AirBNB for the month. And I've had my eye on this one for a while now, but I wanted to stay in it before committing to a whole month to make sure, you know, it was as good as what the pictures showed. So this is, I don't know if I already said this, this is another M2. This one is right across from Bernard's, which is a fantastic place to eat, as well as Red Garden Park. You got a full-size fridge. Lots of storage. An oven with 4 burners. Got your kitchen table and chairs, and then that opens up to this living room. This couch, super comfortable. Nice big TV. This is a nice addition, this desk here. So we stayed here for 2 nights, and so I was able to easily work from there. Aircon unit. And I'll show you the bedroom. So this is probably the biggest bedroom we've had in our year and a half that we've been here. Now this bed, on the other hand, was not the most comfortable. It's old. It squeaks a lot. You got big closet here. I'll show you the inside. Shelves, drawers, and then I still have some stuff in there. The closet side of it. And then we have a balcony, a massive, massive balcony. So you can get to it from both the bedroom as well as the living room right there. So let me show you the whole length of this. Like, that is a big balcony. And then, oh my gosh, look at this view. This view is amazing. I like that while we're in the city, I mean, down there, that is Kazbegi Ave, which is one of the main streets here in Spacious. So that's right there. Down here, which behind all these trees is Coffee Lab, which we work from there quite a bit. Well, when we live in this part of town, we work from there quite a bit. But anyways, back to this view. Look at this, look at this, look at this. I love all the green, but we're like still in the city. And this right here, that's, we stayed in, that's another M2. We stayed there, we had 2 different Airbnbs there as well. But like, look at this. Like, that view is phenomenal. It's perfect from the couch too. Again, so this is $23 a night. It is in an M2. If we were to rent this for a whole month, it would be $658, which is the most expensive that we've looked at or lived in so far. You are definitely paying for the space, right? This is probably as big as our first M2 apartment we stayed in here. You're also paying for the view, which is phenomenal. However, based on all the different places we've stayed in, whether short-term or long-term here in Georgia, especially in Tbilisi, to me, this isn't worth it. The apartment is a little, it needs a little TLC. It's definitely been lived in, but short term, you know, just like we did just a weekend here, it was great. But I don't think it is worth $658. As always, like the video, subscribe for more unique travel adventures. Make sure you hit the little bell so you are the first to know of any videos that I release. Leave me a comment, let me know. Is this worth $658? Would you stay here? Do you think there's better apartments out there for this price? The next video will be right here.